Hello guys, it's a girl Claire and welcome to my YouTube channel. Karibuni sana guys, and no matter what you're going through, it's gonna be okay. I'm still celebrating. Nimefika 3.5k subscribers. I am so grateful guys. I'm so happy and I'm so grateful to God. We are growing pole. It's time for us to make mandazi. So I have milk there, maziwa tu kidogo. I have eggs. I'm using Mandaazi fortified. I have vanilla, I have sugar, and I have eggs. And I also have blue band. So first thing first, what I'm gonna do is to pasua mayai. There we go. Nilipasua mayai ngapi by the way? Hii video na edit like way later, karibu wiki moja na so nilipasua mayai mbili, so I'm going to whisk it using a spoon. I don't have a whisker, so tunafanya vitu kienyeji, but it's good. So after my mayai, I go ahead kuweka sukari kwa dish kwa basin pale. So I just nekanga tu sukari kidogo. I don't want like a lot of sugar considering I have my son eating it. So and then I go in with baking. By the way, I don't measure it ati kutumia tule to measuring to containers. I just do it with my eyes. Natumia tu macho, kaskari, baking, and then there I go with blue band. So I just do it using eyes. African mothers, tunapimanga tu na macho. That's how African I am. And then I'm going to go with my vanilla there. By the way, this vanilla essence, like it really smells nice. I just put kidogo to just kakanini kamoja tu, ka top kamoja, like kakifuniko kamoja, and then I go in na mix tu na kijiko pale pole. As we do it guys. Leo nimeamua I want to take it step by step. Jumara mingi, like I normally do it in the evening on Saturdays, and then on Sunday like naonyeshanga tu nikikata, like when cooking, like I don't show you like the whole procedure ya kumake. So after that I'll just go in with my eggs fortified mandazi one, specific mandazi. By the way, I normally use ajab, but this time around I didn't find it kwa supermarket, so I was like, okay, I just do the eggs as long as it's mandazi fortified, it's going to work. So naongeza mayai, and then after that it's all about mixing. So I'm just mixing with my hands. Sio ni big deal. And then my maziwa nilikuwa nimetoa kwa fridge, so I decided to add in some warm water. So let's do the mixing. So after I'm done mixing, I'm gonna go in with oil. Huwa naeka mafuta so that like to soften it more before nifunike with a pepper or normally just do it with a pepper, like normal pepper ya mkate or something, and then I leave it for like an hour or so before I start cooking. By the way guys, iyo mayai, it doesn't stay there. Remember, I have a 4-year-old boy, so there's no way I'm going to leave my eggs hanging around like that. They came in that day, so ilikuwa before niweke kwa cabinet. Like I normally hide them mbali because I don't want to go around beating my son every now and then. So hapo nimeshaifunika vizuri. So nitaiacha for like an hour or maybe 30 minutes before I do it. So but before that, tuwashe jiko so that we can start preparing our muthokoi. I had soaked it like nearly soak around 11 in the morning. So it was really like okay for prepping. So wacha tuwashe jiko. Then after that I'll go take a shower. And then we can now pika our mandazi, guys. I hope you're enjoying, and always guys, please subscribe to my channel. Your support, your love, it means a lot. And you know what? Your girl Claire she is not giving up anytime soon. I'll continue pushing because I know my day will definitely come. So here guys, I was just washing my muthokoi because I had soaked it, remember. So it is always very like helpful when you soak your muthokoi, and then you make sure that that water you had soaked with it, you drain it out, because you know the importance of doing that, guys. It is going to help your beans not to give you gas. Remember guys, kuna ile beans unakula you feel like tumbo imefura or something. When you do that, like you wash it and you drain the water out, you wash and you drain, you wash and you drain, it is going to help. Also while cooking, unaweza itoa, then you drain that water out and then you add another water. Like it helps you not to get gas. That is a secret for you guys. I'm just unfreezing. I had peas that I had placed them in the freezer, so it was time for me to remove them and unfreeze them before boiling them. So that is what I'm just doing here. Nazitoa, and then I normally, for me unfreezing, I normally just place them kwa maji, like kwa maji baridi. So unaona nimeiwekelea tu hapo kwa sink so that it unfreeze, ndio nipate venye nitaichemsha. You know guys, I love peas and my son loves, okay, mi si fan wa peas that much, but for my son nakwanga favorite yake, so that's why I decided to get this. This is that like tutapika for like 2 or 3 times na mchele, or maybe tunaweza pika na chapati. So wacha zi relax hapo, and then tutaziboil after our muthokoi is done. Guys, it's an amazing Sunday. So today I want to do cooking. Already nishawaonyesha. Yes, I've already shown you. So I'm making muthokoi, and also I have to make some peas. So starting tomorrow, when is kesho ni date gani? 18th. So starting from the week of 18th, I'm literally sorted. Muthokoi nimepika mingi, peas napika mingi. So by the time nikijisikia kukula githeri, kukaranga tu, kukula peas, napika tu kamchele, and I'm good to go. I'm a chapati. So, and also I want to make mandazi. So nishatengeneza unga. I've already done, like nishaonyesha guys. So leo nimefanya into details. Wacha na ile yenye nakuanga nimetengeneza unga usiku and then I just cook it in the morning, but this time round nimesema let me take you guys through muone zile vitu natumianga nini how venye huwa na end up kupata the best, like good mandazi. So I want to make mandazi because mkate, tunabai mkate, tunakula mkate siku moja 65 shillings. Na hii economy ya Ruto. So I refuse that one. So I just want to make mandazi. Probably will eat it for like 3 days. And then after that maybe tutengeneze chapati, and then after that maybe like we'll just find a way. So let's get into the video. Into cooking. Yes, into cooking. Muthokoi inaiva, wacha tupike mandazi. Peas tutaeka baadaye. Guys, make sure you subscribe. Wacha tuendelee ku grow. Let's grow together, because one day one time tutakuwa tunakaa chini tutasema hey, enyewe tumetoka far and here we are, because at the end of the day everything is in the hands of God. Naona venye nimevaa dera tu nakaa tu kama mwaka nyumba, because Sunday is my indoor day. Considering the weather of right now, like it has been drizzling here and there, the weather is gloomy, so kukaa kwa nyumba is the best decision ever. So let's do this guys. Oh Jesus! I was just editing this video and I was just laughing at myself. Whose wife is this now? Whose mother be this? Whose pikin be this now? Instead of me cooking, I'm here dancing. I have mandazi that I need to be cooking, but I'm here dancing, guys. So I started like niliaka that song of Oh Mema, you're always on time. You can't do no wrong, oh mema. Like yes, that song really inspires me. Like it's stating the naked truth that there is nowhere and no place and at no point of time that God will ever be wrong. So I normally listen to it like a couple of times. So I was just celebrating my growth because me having 3.5 subscribers is a big deal. So I was just celebrating and just thanking God for his love and mercy, and just knowing that I've gained 3, I'm going to get 4 to 5 to 6 to 10 to I will grow in Jesus name. So it's just celebrating. Don't mind me, just assume you have not seen me dancing. Umeniona tu, like don't. So I normally cut, like I make sure nimeikata yote, the whole of the unga, and then after that now as my mafuta boils, this is what I have done. So zingine ziko shapeless, but msi mind, don't mind kelele ya music. So after that sasa tunaanza kudip kwa mafuta. So let's do this guys. Lakini inakaa tu yummy already. Nimeshikilia. Oh Jesus. Hii mandazi itakuwa mzito. Unaona ukikata mandazi and then like una make sure umekata isikue that thin, ikuwe thick kidogo so that iweze kuwa na nyama ndani. So that's the thing. So let's do this guys. Acha tuone mafuta yetu. I think it's almost. So acha tuanze kudip sasa. By the way, guys, always make sure that ukiweka mandazi immediately you turn it so that it uta avoid the cracking of it. Isi crack, so una turn like immediately ukiweka kwa mafuta. Usingoje ati turn brown the other side ndo turn it immediately. And I'm rocking with my new spoon bun. Let me show you the other one. Nilikuwa napikanga na hii na nikafupi, alafu sasa unaona nika metal the whole through, lakini hii unaona hii I can't like tumeka. I'm slaying with my new spoony, my new spoony. Sasa imebaki karai. Mungu anipee pesa. Right now guys, the economy is hard. Hata kitu ya 152, hata 300. Sio mchezo. So guys, mna venye it's coming through. As long as mafuta imechemka, it won't take time. Naona inakaa tu vizuri. Siku hizi nimeanza kuongeza size kidogo, si ndio? Si venye tulikuanga kidogo sana. So at least I'm trying. At least I'm trying. Na scoop too, and then I'm like shish. And then my plate is ready. Nilifaa kuweka nini hapa chini? Serve it.
Tulikuwa side. Ongea baadaye.
Tulikuwa nini? Hiyo sitaweka sauti.
Tulikuwa side, si ndio? Bana mafuta karai mzima.
Side wapi?
Hapo kwenye bakery ya Makangu.
Mtraka suluha?
Mundiatira mafuro lukarai. Ya hiyo mkono paka.
Cheese. Na hiyo mkono? Accident tutoe everywhere.
Ile mafuta ni hiyo karai ukiona inabibanga 20 liters 5.
Kile kikubwa. Unajua ni ya kuuza.
Ule kijana hata kuongea. Alibaki tu amenyamaza.
Ilimchoma nini mkono?
Alienda kidogo amkemo na kichwa, but Mungu akamsaidia kama mkono.
Kwani alislide?
Hiyo sio mvulu kimenyesha.
Sio hiyo mkono iko?
Si venye alishika ikatoboka but ukamtibu.
Sawa. All done guys, and my mandazi turned out to be so yummy. That is me testing 1 2 3 4 testing 1 2 3 testing. It was so nice, like literally so amazing. And you guys, it's a nice recipe you need to try. Very simple, very simple, and the results are dope. So this was the next day on Monday, and it was around 4:30. I had gotten from work, so it was time for me now to store my food. Those are my minjis. They're already like cold. They were really like zimekuwa, because I had prepared them like on Sunday evening, so I left them like for the whole night, for the whole day, so that they can be cold, like really cold. And also, like, I just wanted them to be okay, like before I freeze them and before I put them in the fridge. Also, my githeri was also, not githeri, muthokoi. My muthokoi was also cool, so it was time for me to place them on the dish. So I decided to use those dish that I had gotten from my last shopping. If you watch that video, definitely you'll see them. So the bigger one, I'm going to place them in the freezer for probably the following week. And then the smaller containers, I was to place them, like I placed them in the fridge for usage of that week. And yeah. guys, so we've done packing our food. We have restocked, at least we are sorted for this week. I've placed some minji in the freezer, and then hizo zingine nimeweka kwa fridge, and then also githeri kuna yenye nimeweka kwa freezer. Probably maybe tunazaitumia next week, I don't know. Kuna nyingine nimeweka kwa fridge ya this week. Because unaona kama githeri you cannot eat like consistently. Stomach upset sometimes, kitu kama hiyo. So, and also nimerestock pia my favorite drink by the way. Nikikunywa hii kitu a couple of times. It's a pineapple ice punch. Nika beverage kazuri sana. It's really like so nice and very sweet. So nice. It's a Smirnoff. So that's what's up. That's what's up. So tomatoes, I'm all okay. I'm just literally okay in everything. Nyama ndio sina, sema chicken or something nini, but hizo mimi sinunuangi. Sijafika hiyo bei ya kusema ati nitaenda ni buy chicken breast, sijui chicken wings niweke kwa fridge. No, sijafika hiyo bei. So that's it guys for this video. I didn't want it to be long. Tumefanya tu jana na leo, that's it, because I had to kupanga hizo chakula leo after zime cool. Definitely guys, wezi ziweka kwa fridge zikiwa moto or something. So I left them zika cool up until leo. Kuna zenye brother yangu alikuwa ameweka, but I had to organize it well and tujue that we are okay for the week. So thank you so much guys for watching today's video. So thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe. Up until next time, bye bye, and always remember you are the hero of your own story. Claire Menua signing out. Bye guys, and be blessed.